Alright, so you're looking for undiscovered gems in the crypto arena. Well, this is what this video is about. Today I will share with you a brand new crypto project that is currently in pre-sale. So you have a chance to get in early on and be one of the early investors and ride the bull wave for massive gains. It's this time of the bull cycle. We are currently in the early stages of the biggest crypto bull run already, so sit tight and let's get started. Hey everyone, my name is OJ, crypto analyst and investor since 2016. Welcome to another episode of Crypto Radar, where I break down newly launched or still in pre-launch blockchain startups and place them on your watch list. We've covered some very successful new tokens last year, and I'll continue sharing with you my research into hot new tokens this year too. Being in a bull cycle, we are bound to get a lot of new launches this year. In fact, there is already a lot of noise out there and a lot to choose from, but how to pick and choose? To be honest, it's not really that hard. Only a handful of projects stand out with their vision and real-world applications. Everything else is just noise. There are too many pointless, useless coins being launched every day, and I very quickly dismissed them early on in my research. I'm only interested in strong fundamentals, real use case, unique selling proposition, an experienced team. These are just some of my criteria that I apply, and Smart World Global SWG is one such project, rapidly gaining traction in the Middle East and beyond thanks to its ambitious plans to integrate blockchain technology into vital sectors like transportation and infrastructure. So, real-world use case, that's a great start. And even before its official launch, SWG has garnered significant attention already. The hashtag SWGT has already trended in financial discussions on X, showcasing the project's global reach and appeal. Influencers on Binance Square, a hub for crypto discussions, have actively engaged with the project, highlighting its potential and generating excitement, which is very important. People come to the project for different reasons, some from an investor perspective, others driven by the technological aspect. This early buzz speaks volumes about the project's promise and the anticipation surrounding its impact on the blockchain landscape. As an early investor, I always look for those projects that can create a buzz, that make sure that they are talked about in the online space. This is why I talk about the social media significance here. The project constantly gives live streams on Binance Live, and there are regular AMAs with the team to address all the questions from the community. It's a winning strategy for building and nurturing a loyal community. Adding to its credibility, SWG boasts a high rating, 4.45 and above, on the ICO holder portal, which is a trusted source for cryptocurrency analysis. Also, the project has been featured in prominent publications like CNN, Business Insider, Yahoo Finance, and TradingView, underscoring its legitimacy and the growing interest it generates. Their token is in pre-sale for a limited time at the discounted price of just 13 cents. Bear in mind, this is valid only until February the 5th, so it's a few more days. And as I always say, pre-sale prices can't be beaten. We usually see a big spike in price as tokens get launched and listed on exchanges, so being able to get them at pre-sale is a win-win opportunity. For instance, here is one project that I featured quite some time ago on this channel, the Galaxy token. In pre-sale, this token was $150. I mean, at some point, this token reached $17, which is more than 10x, meaning that $1,000 in this token at pre-sale price easily went to more than $10,000 as the token gained price appreciation. So this is just an example. Of course, there are many more examples. This happens time and time again with ICOs. So this is why I'm featuring here tokens that are still in pre-sale. SWG's roots are in Dubai, which is the heart of the MENA region, which is a great benefit for the future of this project. The region has the 6th largest cryptocurrency economy in the world, with an estimated value of around $400 billion. This can be attributed to the fact that the UAE has become a global cryptocurrency hub due to the innovation-friendly regulations that allow advanced crypto platforms to develop in a regulated environment that ensures consumer safety. And Dubai, in particular, with its supportive regulatory environment and advanced infrastructure, attracts leading players like Binance, for instance, Crypto.com, and Coinbase. And among these, SWG has established its presence in Dubai, actively participating in international exhibitions and conferences focused on Web3 and the application of blockchain technologies. Another thing that I like is that, contrary to most other projects in the crypto arena that are focused solely on financial speculation, SWG aims to solve real-world problems, meaning it has strong fundamentals, and that's also something that I take into account when reviewing projects for potential investment. Their core mission lies in integrating blockchain into transportation and infrastructure, encompassing areas like logistics, residential and industrial complexes, communications, energy, and document management. This integration promises transparency, security, and efficiency, paving the way for streamlined processes and enhanced trust within these crucial sectors. And this is probably their most anticipated and talked about developments: the first zero-commission gamified marketplace. Yes, indeed, talking of innovation, SWG is developing the first ever zero-commission gamified marketplace. In fact, going beyond a simple marketplace, they will provide freelancers with a vibrant ecosystem where they can sharpen their skills and earn tokens through engaging in play-to-earn games. It's a groundbreaking approach that incentivizes participation and democratizes access to value creation within the blockchain space. So we have just a few days left to jump into this pre-sale. It ends on the 5th of February, so don't sleep on it. Get these tokens at 13 cents, guys, and then make a fortune in the bull market for the rest of the year. Here's what else I can tell you about this project. Smart World Global has been audited by CertiK, one of the most notable auditors in the blockchain space. The company is strategically positioned in the high-tech transport and infrastructure with a cryptocurrency payment system, and it's developing two projects, unlocking new possibilities: for life and for work. Each of these is expected to generate demand for the token with its use cases. The project looks really huge, with finances from the UAE, and the team is strong with ex-Google first-level management and developers from Microsoft. I love that. The company's roadmap is scheduled up to and including 2027 and includes plans to launch projects in the UAE. And the company is at the beginning of its journey, of course, but it has already formed a strong team of professionals, attracted investors, developed the necessary documentation, and they prepared for the launch of its own project token, the SWGT token, which is the main part of the broader SWG ecosystem. The distribution of funds will be closely monitored around the clock, while transactions made within the ecosystem will be completely transparent. Every investor will be able to monitor every cent infusing the project. This is possible via the transparency that blockchain gives us. About their two core projects, for life and for work. The company's global goal is to implement blockchain solutions in transport and infrastructure complexes, as well as energy and communications projects. The market for services in this area is expected to multiply to billions of dollars by 2027. SWG aims to integrate blockchain into transport and infrastructure, connecting transport solutions, logistics, residential and industrial infrastructure, communications, energy, document management, and service payments in a transparent, verifiable, and secure way. The use of smart contracts will ensure transparent funds distribution, and crypto payments implies quick transactions. Their second project, for work, is the one that is focused on building the world's first zero-fee gamified marketplace. This will provide a platform that eliminates the middleman and the hefty commission fees that are charged by traditional freelance markets today. Their unique selling proposition is basically offering a fair and transparent payment system, a blockchain-based identity verification and reputation system, decentralization and eliminating the middleman, and preservation of progress and credibility. And all of this is built using the utility token SWGT, which is now in pre-sale. The token can be used to vote in the DAO, to form a reserve fund, to pay for various consulting services, as a payment method in transport, to pay commissions on their marketplace for goods and services. So, in terms of tokenomics, the total supply of this token is capped at 1 billion tokens. The stable growth of the token is driven by limited supply and a token burn, meaning this is a deflationary token. The team has one of the longest lockup periods, The team tokens will be locked for up to 10 months, meaning that we don't have to worry about a token dump on the market right after launch date. This is very important for investors. The last thing you want is to have a lot of supply coming into the market as the launch happens. You want your tokens to go up in value, and this means gradual supply over time, not on the first day, right? It's important to note that tokens received by investors in seed, private sale and public sale are subject to a cliff for a couple of months, followed by a monthly vesting for 2 and up to 30 months. So all in all, tokenomics look very healthy. As I said, the SWG token pre-sale is ongoing right now. The price per token is 13 cents in the pre-sale. You can buy it with USD Tether, with Ether or even Bitcoin if you wish. And you should also join their live channels on Telegram or Discord, where you can participate in their regular AMA sessions and you can ask questions or just see what the rest of the community is discussing. I drop all the relevant links in the description below, and also you have a chance to win some of these tokens. They're doing an airdrop. They're giving away $15,000 worth of SWG tokens and other huge prizes to 300 lucky random winners. By random, definitely worth taking part in this. Previously, they held a Web3 airdrop where they raffled off $15,000 worth of SWG tokens, Samsung 55-inch Odyssey Arc gaming monitor, Apple Mac Studio M2 Ultra, Apple 32-inch Pro, MacBook Pro 16, iPhones 14 Pro, Sony PlayStation consoles and much more. Absolutely amazing prices, guys, so don't miss out on this. Go to this page and sign up first. I think this is the best way to take part so that you can log in with your own credentials and monitor your progress too. Register and buy the tokens at the pre-sale, then also take part in the airdrop. In fact, I'm going to show you the process. This is what you need to do. Alright, well, the first step will be to sign up so that you have an account, so that you can log in and monitor your progress and everything. Now, as you're signing up, make sure to check this here, which is the restricted countries. There are certain countries that are not included in this pre-sale. So America, China, Canada, Iran, Iraq, Japan and Korea are excluded from the pre-sale. So unfortunately, if you're any of these regions, you're not allowed to be taking part. So that's very important. Other than that, everything else is fine. You sign up and then you get this email confirmation, and here is the link that you can click to verify your email, and it will take you to this login page. So the next step is to actually log in. Okay, and as you log in, you will need to link your MetaMask address, your MetaMask wallet. So I'm just gonna copy it from here. I will go here, paste that and connect it. There we go. And the next step, of course, is to go and purchase the tokens. Also, I'm getting another email to confirm that I've signed up. Let's go to purchase. This is the token sale agreement. You can go through this, of course, and it's recommended that you read all of that so that you are familiar. Here is the base price, 13 cents. And currently I have, if I'm using my USD Tether, which is 200 USD Tether I have, 200 USD Tether. So I'm going to fill in here 200. At the base price of 13 cents, I will be receiving 1,538 tokens. Okay, now let's click buy. Okay, so I can't actually click paid until I do pay. So I need to go into my MetaMask. Before that, I'm going to copy this address here. I'm going into my MetaMask. I will click send. Here, I'm going to paste the wallet address that I just copied. I'm selecting 200 USD Tether. Let's go next. I will confirm. Okay. And yeah, this is confirmed. So now I can click here paid. My transaction is being processed, all right. And if I go into my dashboard, as soon as the transaction is complete, I should be seeing my tokens show up here. And I'm getting this email right now, which is confirming that I have purchased 1,538 tokens. These are the transaction details. This is also the details of my unblocking conditions. So I have cliff period of 2 months, then I'll get 20% of the tokens that will be unlocked in the 3rd month, another 30% will be unlocked in the 9th month, and then I'll be getting 10% on the 12th, on the 15th, on the 18th, and 21st, and the 24th months. So this is how we make sure that these tokens are not going to just be dumped in the market in one go. People are going to be getting this in portions, and this is very typical for pre-sales, which is very good because that means that we are not going to oversaturate the market with tokens. And this is also good for us because this is how we're going to be able to, have the price go up over time. Okay, so going back to my dashboard, there we go. Here are the tokens, private sale. Of course, I cannot withdraw anything yet. As they start getting unlocked, I will be withdrawing them from here, and I will be withdrawing them into my MetaMask. So here I already added the token. As I'm withdrawing them, they will be going into this wallet here. That's all. Okay, and the next thing I want to do is take part in the airdrop. So let's click here. Okay, 15,000 USD Tether and other amazing gifts to 300 lucky winners. Very good. Now there are several tasks that I need to complete, like watch and like their launch video. I need to retweet this tweet here, follow them of course, and all of those things. So one by one I will be going through these tasks. But right now I'm not going to do this because we don't really need to do this on video. You can go through these tasks on your own. And as you collect these keys, you will qualify for the airdrop. So that's the next step. All right, well, this is everything. This is how the process goes. I hope it's all clear, and make sure that you take part in this airdrop. And also, let me know in the comments later, what did you win? Because I'm pretty sure at least some of you guys here that are watching this video are going to be winners. So fingers crossed. I wish you all the best with this token sale, and make sure that you get these tokens in the next 6 days before the pre-sale ends, because after that, prices are not going to be that low anymore. You might be buying it on as the token hits the market, but as you see, with this vesting period and with this such a small unlock, we are bound to see a huge jump in the price as the token gets launched. So it's good to take part in the pre-sale. In my opinion, I personally take part in the pre-sale, and this is what I can suggest as well. But of course, this is not a financial advice. It's up to you. Make sure that you research it well. Use this video as the basis of your research, and go online, check out what other people are saying as well, and find out more about this project. Make sure that you're completely familiar with what they're doing and that you're comfortable with this token pre-sale, and good luck. This is everything from me. Thanks for staying until the end of the video. I'm going to continue coming with more research on more tokens, and of course I will keep sharing with you all the tokens that I'm currently adding to my portfolio, as I did with my previous video. If you missed that, by the way, it will pop up here if you're watching this on YouTube, so make sure to check this out as well, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.